Okay, we're back. And we are back. I know this is a different video than I filmed, but we're back, and let me tell you, we have a dumpling squishy unboxing. So, these are all viral right now, as we know, and you don't want to miss it. So, grab a snack, grab a drink, let's just go. So, first off, from Five Below, since I already took them out, but I did get the little $1 bears. How cute are these? So I got the red one, and then the little blue tie-dye guy. Cute. And then this little dude. And these are only $1, so pretty good. And then I got this little weird, I don't even know why I got this little dude, but we got him. And then I got a cheese. This is the Dollar Tree cheese. For $1.50, this was great. I mean, $1.75. So, now, on to the dumplings. So, first, we got a little squishy dumpling backpack. So, let's see what we have in store. I actually like these because you can clip, not that I'd ever clip it on anything, but the aesthetic is cute. Are you kidding? I can never, ever open squishies ever. Okay, so, and it's in a little purple little thing. Oh, cute. Okay, little green guy. So about that. It's hard to see it in the, but there's some glitter. I don't know if, can you see that? Yeah, there's some glitter. So that's our first one. I like how this one actually snaps unlike all the other ones. And then from Five Below, we got a mystery dumpling watermelon scented dumpling. And these colors look so unique too. So let's open this guy. And there is obviously, if you know Five Below, you know there is a limit on their dumplings. So, or actually all their squishies, no matter what, it's limit 5. So, and some stores are strict, some don't care. I've learned that it depends what store you go to, I guess, and how strict they are. But some are way stricter than others. Okay. No. I hope I get a glitter. Okay. Too neat. Oh, these. Okay, I was gonna say, do they have faces? So we got this green little emerald to me guy. So these are weird. They're squishy, but there's no feel to them, if that makes any sense. So that's that one. Our first one. Oh, does it smell like? This does not smell like watermelon at all. It smells like rubber. So, okay. Then we got the original viral mystery dumpling. The viral mystery dumpling. So it's just red packaging, I guess. Is that what makes it viral? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I have every color dumpling at this point. Truly. No, so I like the packaging of this though. I've never seen a red package. Okay, what is it? Okay, pink. We've seen this before. There's a face. Yeah, this one feels firmer than the other one. But, so we just got pink. I mean, cute, but we've seen pink before, but the red package I like. Okay, let's switch. Okay, so I got another watermelon. Because they had, the normal dumplings that we've seen all the time, and I didn't want another one of those. I was sick of having the same green. I literally get the blue dumpling every time. I was like, so I'm not risking it. I want something different. So that's why I got multiple watermelons. Okay, ready? Dang, another green one. This one I hate the material. And does not smell like watermelon. I don't recommend these. I would never get these ones again. But whatever. It's the risk you take, I guess. Okay, we have 2 more. Okay, this is the original dumpling again. Can you find the glitter? Probably not. I never get the rare one, ever. I have yet. Actually, I think I got it once. But it was like on the small dumpling. Alright, this one looks impossible to open. Why do they make it so hard to open? My Dollar Tree pen. I don't have scissors around me, so the pen does the same trick. But okay, ready? 1, 2, please be like something else. If I get one more green, I like the feel of these ones better. Okay. I'm convinced they're all... Okay, these don't smell. So right now, I'm very irked. Okay, and then we have another... If I get another green, I'm throwing it across the room. I'm not even kidding. See, that's the thing. It's like, is it even worth the money to get the dumplings? Because it's like, if you keep getting the same ones, you know what I mean? But I guess that's the fun in it. I guess. Who knows? Please be something different. Me. Pink again. Yippee. Five Below, you make me mad. So that is all of them. Okay, so I went to Sheets today, just to gas, whatever, and I did not know they sold dumplings. So we got a backpack dumpling from there. So let's open this one. I really like the backpack ones, honestly. They're hard to open. Okay. Oh, they're glow in the dark. I did not know that. So can you see? So they're all glitter though. So we got the blue glitter. Sorry, my hands are shaking. So that. Then did I spend $38 today on dumplings? Yeah. Jumbo squishy dumpling. Never ever did I see this in real life ever. So this was $14.99. So we'll see. I hope I get an orange or a gold or something. So let's see. This is the only time I'd spend this amount on a dumpling. Only because I've never seen it before. Ever. Okay, ready? Trying to make this like a cool reveal. Okay, you know what? I'll take orange. This thing is huge. I will take this. So we got the orange huge. It's like no, but we got the orange huge dumpling. Wiggle wiggle. So not mad. Okay, cute. So okay, come on. I was gonna buy all of them, but obviously they're $15, so couldn't do that. And then our last one. Got 2, limit myself to 2 because I didn't want to spend like $60. Okay. Oh no, the lid came off. I don't want to look. The lid came off. What is it? Is it good? Comment below if it's good. Okay, you know what? I'll take this. It's the blue glitter. I will take this all the way. All day. I will take this big blue glitter dumpling any day. I'm not mad about this. Like, are we kidding? It is so big. I'm so stoked that I got this. Worth it. I'm kidding. So that was worth it for me, just on the big dumplings. Now Five Below has me irked. If there's like a different one this weekend when I'm shopping, I'll get it. But I'll never get the ones that I got again, if that makes sense. But if I see the jumbo dumpling somewhere else this weekend, I'll probably get it just because it's so unique. I can't get the lid back on. But that is my dumpling haul. Never did I do one before, but, and actually, I did get this the other day. Oh, this the other day, if I can get it. From the dollar store. It's a hamburger. It's not really, it has like weird beads in it. It's not really squishy, but I got this at the dollar store. And then I did get the butter. I have the strawberry, I have the peach. If you guys want like a squishy collection, let me know. And I will glad, like dumplings, squishies, whatever. Let me know, I'll do a whole video on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little squishy haul. New squishy dumpling haul, whatever. But don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.